Before this video starts, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. So here you see me seasoning my whole chicken with kosher salt. I'm being pretty heavy-handed with the salt because I want to make sure that this bird is tenderized the way that I need it to be. So I'm adding the salt on the outside, on both sides, as well as on the inside. And I'm going to let it marinate in the fridge for 24 hours. And this is what it looks like. Okay, it has now been 24 hours. I am letting the bird rest. I'm letting it sit out for a few minutes to let the temperature come down on it so that I'm able to separate the skin from the flesh in order to coat the insides with my butter and garlic mixture that you see me mixing here. So in order to do this, I'm simply using a spoon to separate the flesh from the skin, or the skin from the flesh. And then I will go in and slather it with the butter. Okay, so I'm going in with my hands now to make sure that I can get in there fairly easily. And you especially want to do the backside where the thigh part is, the leg quarters, because you want your butter to be able to seep down in there during cooking. And once the temperature comes down on it and it's not so cold, the skin pulls away fairly easily, so this is not something really difficult to do. And here you see me adding the butter to it. And I'm going to do this all over the bird. Also, I didn't do it here, but you can also add some seasonings to your butter and garlic mixture if you'd like. But I decided this time to just season my bird after I get all the butter on there. So I'm transferring it over into the pan that I'm going to be cooking it in. And here you see a light coating of seasoning that I've put on it. It's been in my oven for 30 minutes here, uncovered. And here I've dropped the temp and I let it cook for another 2 hours until it was done. Here you see me adding my barbecue sauce, and to my barbecue sauce I added some liquid smoke also, just for extra flavor. So I'm going to coat my bird on both sides, and then I will return it to the oven just long enough for the sauce to set. All right, and here you have it, our barbecue whole chicken. I'm going to zoom in here so you can get a look at how tender it is. And this is it. What I have found using this method when cooking a whole chicken, it really helps to tenderize your bird, and it's flavorful to the bone. So the next time you prepare your whole chicken, you may want to give this method a try. I'll see you guys on the next one. Shalom.